You're watching Infinity Tech. Let's leave a Discord group chat you no longer wish to be in. Open your Discord application and go to your direct messages list on the left sidebar. Find the specific group chat you want to exit. Click on the name of that group chat at the top of your screen. This will open a small menu with the groups details. Look for the option that says Leave Group. It is usually near the bottom of this menu and has a red icon. Discord will ask you to confirm your decision. Click Leave Group again to confirm. You will immediately be removed from that conversation. The group chat will disappear from your direct messages list and you will no longer receive any notifications from it. Please note that you cannot leave a group chat that is inside a server. You would need to leave the specific text channel or the entire server instead. This process only works for direct message group chats. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel. You're watching Infinity Tech. Let's send a photo message directly to a friend on TikTok. First, open the TikTok app and make sure you are logged in. Tap the inbox icon at the bottom of your screen, which looks like a speech bubble. Now select the conversation with the friend you want to message or tap the compose icon to start a new chat. Inside the chat, look for the plus sign or the gallery icon next to the text input field. Tapping this will open your phone's photo gallery. Browse and select the photo you wish to send. You can also take a new picture instantly by using the camera icon within the chat. After selecting your photo, you have the option to add text, stickers, or effects before sending it. Finally, tap the send button, which is usually a paper plane icon. Your photo message will be delivered directly to your friend's TikTok inbox. They will get a notification that you have sent them a picture. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel. Open the Messages app and select the conversation you want to personalize. Now tap on the contact's name or the letter I at the top of your screen. This will open the conversation details. Scroll down and tap on the option that says Background. Here you will see a few different categories. You can choose a solid color for a very clean look or select one of the provided gradient options. For more fun, tap Photos to use an image from your own library as the backdrop. You can adjust the photo's position and opacity using the slider so your text remain readable. Once you are happy with your choice, tap Set in the top right corner. You can set it just for this specific chat or for all of your message threads. Remember, this background change is only visible on your own device, not the other person's phone. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.